Hello, kids. Today I will tell you a story. This is Princess Milay. She is kind and she is brave. Milay is not like other princesses. She has a special gift. She can control the earth. Look at her hands. The ground moves, small flowers grow. She is happy. She feels strong. Milay loves her kingdom. The people love her too. But Milay does not know. Something dark is coming. A new adventure will begin soon. Princess Milay has a secret. She wears a magic amulet. The amulet is very old and very powerful. No one knows its true secret, not even Milay, but this amulet will change her life forever.
This is my amulet. It is special to me. When I wear it, I feel strong and safe.
But someone wants the amulet. Black smoke rises. Agil appears.
Princess, give me the amulet. With it, I will rule the world.
No, you cannot have it. I will never give it to you.
Give it to me, or you will be alone forever.
Agil attacks with dark magic. Milay is afraid, but she is brave. The amulet glows brighter and brighter. A magic portal opens behind her. The magic saves Milay, but where will it take her?
No, stop her.
Help me, amulet. Please, I must jump.
Green portal fades away, and Milay is alone. Her true adventure is just beginning.
Where am I? This is not my home. The earth feels strange. I am alone, but I must be brave.